Hare Krishna. Today we are going to learn how to chant on beats. The mantra consists of basically 16 words. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So if you observed, there are 3 distinct words in this mantra. Hare, Krishna and Ram. Hare refers to the energy of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Krishna means He who is all attractive. And Rama means He who is the source of all pleasure. Now that you know about the mantra, let's see how to chant it on beads. The chanting beads are made up of tulsi, which is considered to be very sacred and dear to Krishna. So when you chant on the tulsi beads, you are actually taking the help of the dearmost devotee of Krishna, Tulsi Maharani, to please the Lord by your insignificant endeavors of chanting. There are some important points to be considered by the practitioners of Bhakti Yoga before starting the Mahamantra chanting on beads. Number 1 and the most important is, beads are always to be kept in clean place, and thus we use bead bags for the same purpose. The benefits of bead bag is that the beads are always kept at a safe place and are safe from wear and tear. Of course, it goes without saying that the bead bag itself must be very clean for this purpose. Bead bag have 2 openings, one big opening and one small opening. Big opening is to put your hand inside to hold the beads, and the small opening is to take out the index finger. Now you must be wondering why the index finger is out. This is because the index finger is used to find out faults and thus signifies the ego and fault finding propensity of the person. Thus this finger is not used in chanting. We use the thumb and the middle finger to hold the beads while chanting. And of course, needless to say, you have to use your right hand. So when we start with chanting on beads, the first thing we chant is the Panchatattva mantra on the first head bead, which is the biggest bead in the whole bead. It is beneficial to chant the Panchatattva mantra before beginning your Japa meditation. This is a prayer to Krishna's most merciful avatar, Lord Chaitanya, and his associates to help us to become ecstatic and avoid offenses while chanting. Shri Krishna, Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita, Gadadhar, Shrivasadi, Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. It means I offer my obeisances to Shri Krishna, Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita, Gadadhar, Shrivasa and all others in the line of devotion. The first and the most important thing to chant on the beads is that a complete mantra must be chanted on each bead. So we chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So when you complete one mantra, then you shift to the next bead. This goes on till the last bead. So one Japmala contains 108 beads. When you reach the last bead, you should not cross the head bead. You must turn and then start the second round again. When you complete 108 beads on the Japmala, it's considered to be completed as one round. It's prescribed to do 16 rounds of Mahamantra in a day. It approximately takes 2 hours, and it's preferable if it's done in morning. If not possible in morning, then it can be done in any time of the day. So when you complete one round, you pull down one bead from the counter beads attached to your bead bag. It helps you to remember how many rounds you have completed. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more such spiritual videos, subscribe to our channel ISKCON Desire Tree, and for more information, you can log on to our website. Hare Krishna.